Hey everybody, Craig here. That time of year again, all right, here we go. Winter time's over with, and you're driving down the road and, that lovely smack sound on that windshield. Well, we got hit a couple days ago. Bullseye right there in the front. Looks like a BB, but, one of them things, what are you going to do? I don't know if it show up on camera too good, but I try to zoom in on it. So, I'm going to try and make this one last. Last year, I think we went through 9. I saved two. I saved 2 for about 3 months, So I got this stuff here, AutoZone, this Permatex Windshield Repair Kit. I haven't personally used this one yet, so we're going to do a video here and see if we can make that little splat go away. All right, step 2 is to apply this little push pad over this hole with the tab up. Let's see. Get all the air bubbles out of him. There's nice tight. And I got step 3. I'm going to peel off this side of this adhesive here, if I can get it. Attach this induction tube, line it up, tabs up, over the hole, press it firmly over the hole. Make sure there's no air in that one. And we get out the resin here. It says to cut the end of this. Yep. Get out our old trusty here. Hold it away from you, it says. Woo, got that one. Put this resin firmly into this hole here and squeeze in the resin. It says to use about 3/4 of the tube. That should work. Lay that aside. And we take our tube and insert it tight into that hole there. And you're supposed to pull up to that bottom notch. It draws air out. It gives the resin room to go in, I guess. There's the first lowest setting. Then you want to wait 10 minutes, it says. So we'll come back 10 minutes, see how it is. All right, next step here, it said we remove this syringe, let a little air get in here. Wait just a few seconds. I'm going to reinsert it. Then we're going to push it down to the second notch. Now we got to wait 20 minutes. So we'll come back in a minute. 20 minutes. Here we go. All right, that was 20 minutes of fun. So now we get to remove the old plunger. It says take a razor blade, which they supplied. Wiggle that under there. Supposed to have a towel to wipe off the excess, but yeah, this is fun. Now, get that out of the way. It's a little sloppy there, but take the razor blade, clean it up. Let's see what it looks like. Now it says if you're not happy with what you see, you can take a little resin. Take a little resin and squirt it back in the hole, but I really can't see the hole, but there's a little bit there. We'll just catch some of this. A little resin over that hole. Apply this patch. Same thing, walk out all the air. It looks really good. I'm going to leave this. Supposed to leave this on for an hour, up to an hour. Alright, it's been a while, so we'll take this patch off. Take the razor blade. Go across it. And we'll take the alcohol pad. Wipe it. See what we got here. Looks pretty good from out here. Alright, there we go. And then sometimes you'll see a blemish, but I think it looks better. And we can get a little more time out of this one. Alright, there you go, guys. I'll let you know what I think.